Hello everybody and welcome to Soul Wonderland. I am your host Soul, and today we'll be taking a look inside of Dragon Ball Z Season 8 on Blu-ray. So here is the cover. The spine. And this is episodes 220 to 253. The back, which we'll try to zoom in. There you go. And then there's the other spine. Take the slip cover off, you get a little more of the same. And then you open it up and you get the episode guide list. And you get disc 1 of the Blu-rays, disc 2, 3, and 4, and the back. So this is Dragon Ball Z Season 8 on Blu-ray. Thank you and have a wonderful day.